Woodbridge subdivision, 4 bedroom, 3 bath, 2 stories, all newly renovated. Great house for $2,400 for rent available. Hi, hello, everyone. My name is Nasser, Realtor Daddy with Texas Signature Realty, bringing you another great deal of the day on this episode. So let's take a look. This listing by real estate agent named by Miss Nilofer Zuberi with Worldwide Realty. Her phone number is 832 630 1258. 832 630 1258. So please call her or have your real estate agent contact her for a showing. If you don't have a real estate agent, I can also represent you to help you. So let's take a look at this listing. First of all, it's a good price, $2,400 a month for lease. It's in Sugar Land, Texas. Woodbridge subdivision is high on demand, popular among the immigrant and Southeast Asian community. It's a big lot. It's on 9,467 square feet. Address is 11627 Swiftwater Bridge Ln, Sugar Land, Texas, 77498. Great school district, 41 days on the market. Living space, 2,600 square feet. It's all newly done, renovated, new appliances. And let's look at the picture. Yeah, the build is 2001. Very good condition. So let's look at some pictures of this. So as we can see, big driveway, no issues looks like in the driveway. Big high ceiling entrance, all vinyl wooden floors. Flooring is done throughout the house according to the listing agent. As we can see that here, mostly whole house is freshly for the fresh paint. Appliances included, new stainless steel. Fridge, washer, dryer included. Guys, this is a great deal for $2,400 in a nice neighborhood. Look at the pictures, the rooms. Master bedroom has double sink, washer, dryer included. The grass is all new. It's new grass in the house. Community swimming pool. So for sure, contact this real estate agent or have your real estate agent contact, or if you don't have a real estate agent, please contact me on the phone number above 281-857-2000. This is one of the good hidden gems that we found available for lease today. And remember, time is money, but real estate both. So see you at the top. Bye-bye.